Okay, so next is isotones. So next is isotones, or it is also called isoneutronic species. Isoneutronic species, or also called isotonic species. Isotonic species we can say. So why its name is isotones, isoneutronic or isotonic? Because they have same number of neutrons. Okay, the species which has the same number of neutrons are called isotones. Example so in this case electron 1, proton 1, neutron 3 minus 1 equal to 2. In this case electron 2, proton 2, okay, and neutron will be 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That means number of neutron is same. Number of neutron will be same. Okay, one more example, potassium and calcium. Okay, potassium and calcium. Or we can take simple example, nitrogen and chlorine. So nitrogen 715, it is 919. Okay, so in this case electrons are 7, proton will be 7, so neutron coming out of 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Yes or no? But in this case electrons are 9, okay, proton also 9, okay, neutron will be 19 minus 9 equal to 10. So you can say that these two species isotones, these are the isotones. But isotones, is there isotones, yes or no? Is there isotones? No sir, because the number of neutron is not same, not isotones. Okay, due to okay, n value difference, due to n value difference. Okay, yes or no? Okay, now next is isostars. So in isostars, what isostars means, they are the molecules having same number of electrons and atoms. Okay, so they are the molecules having same number of electrons and protons. Example in CO2 and N2O. Okay, two species is given. We have to check out is they have the both the molecules have isostars or not. Okay, let's check. So in this case sir, the number of electron is, we know. So how can you calculate? We have already know. Okay, carbon has 6 electron, 1 oxygen has 8, that means 2 oxygen here. Okay, that means 6 plus 16 equal to 22 electrons. Okay, so electrons we get 22, and number of atoms that means atomicity also we can say number of atoms, 1 carbon 2 oxygen, so total atoms is present here 3. Okay, so total atom 3. So in this case nitrogen has 7, that means 2 plus 8, so 14 plus 8, so this is also equal to 22 electrons, and number of atoms also 3. Okay, 2 nitrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom, so that the two species are called isostars. The two molecules are called isostars with each other. Okay, so one more example. Suppose example calcium oxide and Kf. Okay, now you can pause this video, okay, and calculate the electron and atoms. If they are same, that the isostars, otherwise not. Okay, so hope you checked first this video. Okay, see, in this case first we have to check out number of atoms in both the cases. Okay, so number of atoms barabar 1 calcium 1 oxygen, that means 2. Okay, in this case also the number of atoms 2, 1 potassium 1 fluorine. Okay, now number of electrons we will check. Number of electrons barabar 1 calcium has 20 plus 8 equal to 28 electrons. In this case potassium has 19 plus fluorine 9. Okay, 2 yes 28 also. So in both